mixed up chicken noodle soup using leftovers. And we're going to use leftover ham stock, chicken, vegetables, a little chorizo and thyme egg noodles. Soya sauce, some herbs and seasoning, and just a little bit extra chicken. First things first, we're going to add in the chicken to the broth and let that cook for a few minutes. Just going to pull apart the chicken. We're going to chop up a little bit of chorizo. I always recommend to remove the outer skin of the chorizo. It tends to get stuck in your teeth and kind of unpleasant to eat, but it's not the end of the world. If you want, you can leave it on. Now I'm going to fry off the chorizo. I'm only going to use a little oil because the chorizo will release a lot itself. You want to hear that sizzle. If it's not sizzling, it's not hot enough. So you can see all that oil that's getting released. So our next step is to drain off the oil from the chorizo. In goes the chicken. Then we're going to add in that chorizo. And we're also going to add in the veg. Now we're going to add in the noodles for 3 minutes to cook, and then we're ready to serve the soup. Thanks for watching my leftover challenge. Please make sure to hit that like button, and if you like these videos and want to see more, hit the subscribe.